I mean, I'm just saying, like, what I use is a game changer. I mean, get with the program. Let's go. What's up, Giz Army? No beautiful intro here. We're just gonna get right into it with how I lay my edges. I know y'all been asking for this video for a long time, so I'm gonna tell you what I use, the technique I use, and how I get these bomb edges laid, okay? So if you wanna see that, just stay tuned. Okay, so first, we're just gonna take this down. Y'all gotta excuse my hair. I use a different custard and let's just say it's flaky. Annoying. Okay, so I am using Style Factor Edge Booster. Okay. There's no particular brand or like color or what is it, fragrance, scent that I use. I just grab what's available. Okay, so and then I use, you know, a edge brush. You can use one like this. This is one I got from African Pride, or you can use like this one. These are ones that are normally sold in the beauty supply stores. So what I do is I just simply bring out my edges, right? Everything that I want. So I just bring out what I want to do. Get my baby hairs, you know. And this is a lot easier if you don't let your gel dry. I let my gel dry, so a lot of my baby hairs is like dried into my hair right now. I think we got enough. Now I'm gonna take some of my edge booster. I'm gonna go ahead and slick these part back a little. All right, then we're gonna take some edge booster. We're gonna go ahead and put these things down. And so I know you hear a lot of people say this, but index finger brush swooping motion, right? And basically this swooping motion is just going whichever way you want your edge to go. So if you want this swoop to the left, then that's where you do the swoop. But you hold down the hair after you brush it, right? So I want to make this really smooth. Comb it and then hold down. Boom. Do it again for smoothness, right? And then I'm going to smooth out the edge. There you have it. Now this one, but like it's literally you just smoothing until you get the level of smoothness that you want. Now this one I want to bring forward, and I want a little more baby hairs, so I'm gonna bring some little baby hairs out. So I want this to go this way. Right? So, but I want it to look skinny, so I'm gonna like push the hair together. So I'm gonna push that back there. I'm gonna get a little bit more edge control. Put it on there, right? And then I'm gonna keep holding every which part that I want. So I'm gonna hold this part so that I can get this part to swoop. And then I bring my hand down to hold that part. Oh, okay. And I'm gonna bring some more edges out. And I mean, it's the same concept throughout. But my baby hairs, my sideburn baby hairs, yo, I need to take more time up with these things, to be real with you. I'm good with that. Y'all good with that? So there go one side. And then we got to make the other side look like something. Okay, so now that we got them laid, I'm just gonna take my scarf and put it over my hair. And you can keep the scarf on for however long you want to, but I'm probably gonna keep it on for about as long as I keep my hair. As long as I do my makeup, between 5 and like 10 minutes to lay it down. You can take it off and your edges should be laid. It's laid towards. Alright, Kids Army, that concludes this video. I hope that this actually helped you. I know I've been procrastinating on doing this video for you all. So if it did, please be sure to thumbs up this video. And if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. And also comment below what is your go-to edge control. Mine right now is between Style Factor Edge Booster and EBIN 24-Hour Edge Tamer. EBIN is perfect for when I have protective styles. I love to use that. And then obviously the Style Factor is what I use when I'm just utilizing and styling my regular hair. Okay, so I love you, Naturalistas. I will see you all on my next upload. It is your girl, LATRICE. And remember to always protect your